Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math number 20.
Math number 20. Today we have a neat contest problem, and only 25% of the people got this one right, so you better be careful, because this one might be a little sneaky. Here is the question. What is the minimum possible product of three different numbers of the set -8, -6, -4, 0, 3, 5, and 7? And I gave you the choices that were available on the test too. -336, -280, -210, -192, and 0. Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
What are you trying to find?
The smallest possible product of three numbers in this set.
Okay.
That are different.
All right, great. How do you want to approach this problem?
Well, we could try some sets of numbers.
Okay.
Like there's -8 times -6 times -4.
Okay, -8 times -6 times -4. What is that going to give you?
Well, -8 times -6 is 48.
48
times -4.
times -4, which is?
It's going to be 160 plus 320. Or 160 plus 32. So it's going to be -192.
Okay, so this is -192. So that's actually a choice. So that, okay, so we think that is a possibility.
Yeah.
Did that eliminate one of the choices?
Yeah, 0.
It eliminated 0. Okay, so great. So we have one of the things, and that's a pretty small number. So the question is, can we get smaller than that? Okay, so that's good. You want to see if there's a way to get smaller than -192?
Yeah.
Okay.
We could do -8 times 7 times -6.
Okay. -8 times 7 times -6. What can you tell me about this
Well,
number?
this is actually going to be positive.
That's going to be a positive number. So that's interesting to try, but that's going to be positive. So that's not going to be it.
We could do -8 times 7 times 5.
Ooh, -8 times 7 times 5. Okay. So how do you want to multiply this up?
Well, it's -8 times 35.
Okay, -8 times 35, which is minus times what?
It's minus...
Times, it's minus as 8 times 35. So what's 8 times 35?
It's going to be 240 plus 40, 280.
Okay, so this is -280. That's pretty small.
Smaller.
Oh, is that smaller than -192? Okay, awesome. All right, so but it's not the smallest number. Okay, so we have done -8 times -6 times -4, and we've done -8 times 5 times 7. We found this is pretty small, but there's one other choice, -336. So can we get a smaller number than this?
Well,
because we now can eliminate this and 0.
This is the smallest number for the minuses.
Okay.
And these are the two largest numbers.
That are positive.
Yeah.
Okay. If I do another minus, if I do -8 times -6, that's positive, right?
Yeah.
So I only have one other number I can multiply by to get it to be negative, right?
Yeah.
Right? So that's good. So that was how we got -192.
You have to multiply the -8 by a positive.
So now I take the biggest positive numbers I can multiply together, and I get 35 times -8, which is -280. Do you know how you get -336? Or sorry, do you know how you get 336? Why was -336 a choice? What do you think?
Well, someone could mistake it for positive 336.
Yeah, and you get -8 times -6 times 7 is 336. That's why that's a choice.
Yeah.
So if you messed up on your minuses, you might think -336 was the answer, but it was -280. So good job. Try a few things and figure out how to get a super small negative number, and you were only 1 out of 4 people got it right, and you got it right.
Yep.
Good job.